Hey everyone, Todd here with Olsen Motorsports. We're out on a road test in our 1959 Alfa Romeo 1900 that we just did some work to, that's getting ready to go on a 1,000-mile rally. So we're out here testing out the suspension. We just reworked the front suspension bushings, dampers and springs, put a new head gasket in. Cut! Right now we're doing a little quality control road testing, do different mile-per-hour ranges and get it through all the gears, get it nice and hot. We're getting ready to go on the tollway here, get some speed under it, see how it handles, because I'm sure they're going to be racing around during the melee that they're going on for 1,000 miles. It's not going to be a slow putt-putt rally. I'm going to make a turn here. That's accurate. I think we were really going 70. It said we were going 120 kilometers. It's at 20 right now though. Like it stops at 20. How's that? Alright, so we got it up to 140 kilometers an hour, which passed our speed test. Drives well. We're gonna head back towards the shop now. So it's a really cool car inside and out. It's not too often you get to drive an antique vehicle like this. For all you watchers, or for all you people watching our page out there, if you could take this on a rally anywhere, where would you go? Please let us know in your comments, because we'd like to know where you would like to see this go on a rally next. This trip is California. Next time could be anywhere. We just got back from our road test. That's the car that I completed before I took this on a road test, and I road tested the Carrera GT right before I road tested this car. So as nice as this car is, that car's a lot of fun to drive. Alright everyone, thanks for tuning in, checking us out. Road test, quality control overdrive is done. We're going to get the car cleaned up and ready to go on the rally and send it on its way.